Night Fision Perfect Dot sights are going to provide you the fastest target acquisition, the most durable sight with the brightest tritium that you can put on your handgun.
Headquarters, head into the basement.
We injection mold a ballistic polymer ring that's made out of the same material bulletproof glass is made out of. Our sight bodies themselves are made from solid 4140 steel. We put 30% more concentration of tritium where you get the brightest sights you could possibly buy to put on your handgun. We're the leading tritium insertion, design, and engineering firm in the United States. With over 25 years of tritium insertion experience, our parent company, Kaminga, is the official supplier of the Lensatic Tritium Compass for the U.S. government. You get the brightest sights you can possibly buy to put on your handgun. Night Fision, manufacturers of the Perfect Dot sight.